Alright, so this is my first ride on my first project bike, an '02 Yamaha TW200. I will debrief on the ride toward the end of the video. So as you could probably tell, the bike definitely did not feel right. The power was not there, the throttle was not adequately responsive, and the RPM would not drop quickly when I let off the throttle. Also, at times, the RPM would randomly go up, and at times it wasn't easy to control the bike. The brakes were very weak, and it took a while to stop. It just didn't feel right at all, and I figured it had to do something with the engine or air/fuel flow. Next, I'm going to check compression when the bike is warm, as well as look into some potential issues related to the exhaust, adjust the carb, and most likely tear into the engine to see what exactly is going on with this thing. Stay tuned.